Hey, happy weekend, everybody. Well, listen, I know there's some of you that didn't come into to our RVM calls.com, the Go Ringless system, where our folks are averaging anywhere from 800 to 2,000 a week in sales, and not counting working with small businesses. Well, I just wanted to show you just a quick deal on my what do you call it? My Yahoo email. That's where I get sign-ups, entries, payments, and stuff. And you can see people coming in to Go Ringless. That was last week. I think I had a couple more too, but they're not on this page, I guess. But anyway, folks, um, if you need some more information, you need a little help getting started, maybe I can help you a little bit. We got PayPal financing also. You're looking at only $497. Most people have their investment back, like within their first week, 10 days or whatever. So, I mean, but if it's not for you and you're short of money and you're just a tire kicker and you're going to be crawling Craigslist for the next year, then don't even bother. We only want to work with the best. We only want to work with go-getters that actually do want to make money. I don't want to work with deadbeats, so it might not be for you. But anyway, check it out. You can check it out again at rvmcalls.com. You can get signed up there. Don't sign up unless don't start to sign up unless you got your admin fee of 97 and your licensing fee for the software of $400. Okay. If you have any questions, give me a call. My number's on the website. So thanks a million, and you have a nice weekend. I know I'll probably make at least one sale over the weekend, and I'm going to be out goofing around a little bit. So talk to you next week.